everybody, today I'm going to show you how to type math in a Canvas discussion. When we hit reply to a discussion, it will open up the text editor and you'll see a toolbar. Don't be fooled by the T-squared, it's not really going to help you do very much math. What you want to do instead is click on the three dots and look for the symbol that looks like the square root of x. When you hover over it, you'll see Insert Math Equation. This will open up our equation editor. Notice there are multiple tabs. Operators is where you're going to find union. Relationships is where you're going to find greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. What I think I use the most in miscellaneous is the infinity sign. But let's go back to basic. One thing you'll probably type a lot is fractions. So watch if I do x and divide by 2, it automatically turns into a fraction. Be careful when you type something bigger. Say I want to do x plus 2 over x plus 3. If you just type x plus 2 and then hit divide by, notice that it only divided the 2. It didn't divide the x. To fix that, you can start with the parenthesis x plus 2 and then close the parenthesis and hit divide, and in the denominator I can type x plus 3. Another choice is to use the fraction button right inside the equation editor. That creates a fraction. You can click in the numerator, type whatever you want to, then use the arrow key to click down to the denominator and finish your expression. If you want to type more, remember to click your arrow over to get out of the denominator. Then you're ready to add more to your expression or equation. Maybe I want to say minus x squared. To do x squared, I could use this exponent key and put a 2, then click out. Or I can hit X, and then I can hit the caret up arrow, which is Shift 6, and it also will go up to the exponent. Let's put in an 8, and then again I click the arrow over to get out of it. Once you've created any kind of math, you can edit it. Click back over on the symbols, hit Edit Equation, it will bring it back up. Maybe we want to put a coefficient, so I'll use my arrows over to get in front of the radical. Let's put in a 4. I can go to the back of the radical and maybe say minus 7. When you've finished writing your discussion and you've put in the words and the math you want to share with your classmates, just hit reply to share what you've done.